Pressure to joy of profits. Fortis Healthcare. Review of Fortis Healthcare, a private hospital chain started in Mohali in 1986. Later, they purchased a healthcare brand from Escorts, presently having 36 facilities across India, Sri Lanka, and Dubai. IHH Healthcare, Malaysia, acquired controlling stake in this hospital by about 31% stake they acquired, and later on in 2018 Manipal Hospitals acquired Fortis Healthcare. The company has gone through a troublesome time. Consistent negative returns from it, negative results, has taken a toll on its stock for a long period. September 20 quarterly has shown some small recovery. Looks like future looks bright, and the stock has already started its upward journey. Let's look at how the stock has been doing on its rankings and the numbers. Price rank is at 55%. It's about 45% of the companies tracked in our list of 740 stocks have given better returns to their investors in the last 1 year compared to Fortis. 45% is somewhere around 300 companies out of 740. Coming to earnings rank, this stock is very good. It qualifies to be in a portfolio. So this one, on our stock rank reports, when earnings are above 80, we use a weekly chart to find a resistance break to get in. That's what happened in the stock last week, and it is already in a big run. As we are doing this review, the stock had 10% upside on Friday. So when earnings rank qualifies and stocks have a breakout, they just fly from their breakout levels. Plotting the price rank chart, 6 months back Fortis was at 64.3 on its ranking, went up above 70. After that, ranking dropped because stock went into a very tight consolidation, and it is having a double bottom also. During December, it reached the previous lows on the rankings. When double bottoms happen, it is a early sign that stocks will turn around and run up. That's what happened in Fortis also. Already we are seeing stock going up, though ranking is just at 55. Looks like with earnings rank at higher levels, price catching up, soon this stock will be a qualifier on both price and earnings rank on our ranking tables. Coming to EBITDA growth, Fortis was having 56% growth on its quarterly EBITDA 2 years back, went up, had a steep climb at around 4,500 percentage growth. This kind of big growth is what brings problems. So that obviously followed in the stock also. It had a steep decline, and now in September 2020 quarterly, it is at minus 56%, nearly 60%, minus 60% growth against the previous year same quarter. That is, if this hospital had made 100 rupees profit in 2019 September quarterly, in September 20 quarter, it has made only 41 rupees. And that is all the negatives. Looks like it's been the past, and past is forgotten for the stock because the stock is already run up. Coming to TTM EBITDA, it was having a 325% growth 2 years back. After that, again it climbed up. That big profit numbers brought, even in the TTM numbers also, it went up around 1115%, and afterwards it went down. Now at minus 80% on TTM profit growth, EBITDA profit growth. Coming to peer group comparison, Fortis ranks the topmost in the earnings rank at 89.4. Nearest competitors are far away. That means on the profit this hospital has been making, it is doing excellent compared to its peers. On the price rank, Apollo Hospitals has been the top. So here both Apollo has been doing very good in the market. Now Fortis is just following up, whereas the weakest one is Aster DM here. So Fortis is not short of the top ranks, it's only shade below compared to its peers. Of course, in the market it is down. Coming to business growth, we had put a background image here. Guy falls, gets up, rolls down, sinks, and now opens to great success. This is what exactly happened to the stock also. And the chart which we have plotted against the image, that is also perfectly matching how this hospital went into swirls. It is falling down at the time. Profit growth also falls, takes a big dip, and afterwards it recovers and shines up. Even the profit is also doing the same. Fantastic recovery. It's holding on at the zero levels. With the kind of recovery that it had, when the business grows up, automatically it will bring in big positive numbers on the balance sheet. Coming to investors, stock has been getting noticed now. Let's say we put this red ball among the group of white balls, so it's showing up his hand. I am there, available, and looks like it's already noticed. In the last 1 week, Fortis has had beautiful run in the market. Who has benefited? Retail have made a small exposure. Mutual funds have taken big notice of the stock, we could say. FIIs are still waiting for confirmation. Coming to the charts, on the monthly charts, it went to a big trouble time, 4 years of consolidation, which is a very, very long period. We put a red arrow on top, 2 red arrows. Strong trend is missing for very long term. Bearish trend came for a few 3 months, and afterwards again it went into sideways range. Range moves kill investors because there will be lot of, either if you are active investor it will be losses, passive investor you have to wait with patience. We don't know if that can revive and come back or maybe sink. So after all that, Fortis has given a breakout. That's where one small blue arrow has been put on the monthly chart, which shows a clear breakout that has been happening on the stock, and still it is not got into a trend. It might take little time for the stock to come into trend on monthlies. While coming to weekly, it went into consolidation, had a broad moves also, and after that there is a breakout coming about 3 months back, and that breakout has turned around and the stock has started going up. Now the stock is also into a bullish trend. It is trending bullish in the last 4 weeks. It took 3 weeks for the bullish trend to get confirmed, and this week as we are doing this review, it was a coincidence that we did a study on the stock, and while we are doing the recording, stock has made a 10% upside journey. Very good run the stock has been having. It looks like it will continue and run further with the backing that can come from its numbers. Coming to the numbers of the company, 13,400 crores market cap hospital with 163 PE, very, very high PE because there was losses. There are many financial sites which will not report PE when there is a negative result from the company. In our analysis, we don't do that. If there is a negative, also we will say negative PE also we will take, so that we know what is the space the stock is covering on its top and bottom of its PE, the range that PE is having and where it is now. So compared to sector is 66, so it is near 3 times. That is because of the down result. When result starts picking up, PE will get self-adjusted. There are 8 analysts who are tracking this stock, and out of them 7 have given a buy. So it looks like everything is turning around for Fortis in the market. With all this positive news, where the stock can go, it had a first target of 180. While we were doing the study, we had 180 target. By the time we come to recording, 180 is already captured. So next target is 229, which is about 27% from where the stock price is now. Coming to the comparison of performance against NSE 500, all this equivalent performance to index came just 1 week time. Before that, the stock was lagging badly. On 1 year, it is matching NSE 500 with 1.5% additional gains. In 3 months, it is just shade lower compared to NSE 500 returns at 20.2%, while NSE 500 is given 22%. On 1 month, NSE 500 is only 7%, while Fortis is 14%. So it is, we can see on a 1 year basis, it is caught with the index. 3 months, it is just about to break, and in 1 month, it is already broken twice the index returns. So that means the speed is picked up and likely to run. With this kind of speed, it will run for at least some time. Say, suppose you take a vehicle, you start it with the first gear and slowly accelerate and go to fourth gear. From there, you cannot jump to first gear. If you come, your gearbox will get damaged. Same thing with the stocks also. When they get into fourth or fifth gear, probably in stock markets we can even say seventh gear, eighth gear, 10th gear. So it cannot come back to one very fast. So when we are on the tide, journey will be beautiful and profits will be rolling into our accounts. All the views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock market from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock, though we have given a very positive outlook for the stock. Do your due diligence, get to know the risks, get comfortable with it, and then go to buy the stock. Thank you.